I want to tell you something. Okay, so you today, Kiwi got her very first gift in the mail, and she doesn't know it yet. So, well, no, last night she got her very first gift in the mail. And she doesn't know she got a gift. So, Kiwi, one of your friends on YouTube sent you a gift. And I was so surprised. I was more surprised than I think you will be. So anyways, one of Kiwi's friends, Kim, thank you, sent her a gift. What do you think it could be? You open it. You open the gift. Gotta open the whole gift, right? See, is there a gift note? This is for a special bird, Kiwi. I hope you enjoy it. From Kim. Okay, from nuts.com. Well, what's in here? You gotta find it here. Oh my goodness. This is a good, easy box to open, eh? Should you try both sides, or? This is the way chipmunks open presents. Oh, you almost got it. Oh, thinking of you. So cute. This is for a special bird, Kiwi. I hope you enjoy the nuts. Let's see if she likes them. So you gave away the surprise. Should we pull it out? Let's see. Look, Kiwi. Kiwi, look. Are you okay? Here. Oh boy. You never know what's gonna happen in this house. Okay, what is it? What'd she get you? Oh, what is it? Oh, here. You've never had one of these before. Well, you like it. You want the box? Here. Dog food. Here. Try it again. Try it again. Try it again. Just try it again. Yeah. See? Right? Aren't you lucky? Is that fun? Getting a present? At least you like that. Okay, you whined because you weren't getting anything. You want to try? Okay. You want to try too, Sid?